There is a new AI tool that is completely changing the YouTube game. Not only is it making YouTube so much easier, but it is also helping people make money. And this software is called TubeMagic, and it is actually a software that my brother has paid over $100,000 to develop. Now, my brother has been in the YouTube game since he was in high school, and he told me when he was starting out with his YouTube channels, he wished he had some guidance. And once he got the hang of YouTube on his own and he became a millionaire because of it, this is when he decided to create a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization, where he teaches people how to make money with a YouTube channel. But after that, he kind of wanted to take it to the next level and create an AI software, because AI is all the craze nowadays, and it can also be a super helpful tool to help people run a YouTube channel seamlessly and also easily. Within my brother's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, he has students. And my brother decided to share TubeMagic with these students, and all of them loved this software. So that is when my brother decided he shouldn't gatekeep this. He should give it out to everybody. So like I was saying earlier, with TubeMagic, you can not only run your YouTube channel, but it could also be a side hustle if you wanted to. There are so many ways that you can potentially be making money with TubeMagic, and it can just make your life a whole lot easier, which is exactly why I created this video. Is we're gonna go through 5 different ways that you can be making money with TubeMagic. Because you guys know I love finding new ways to be making money online. And all of these methods are methods that have been tested by real people. So we know there is no fluff here, they are legit. So enough chit-chatting and blabbing away, let's just jump into the first way to be making money with TubeMagic. So let's say you have a YouTube channel and you've uploaded a video into the unlisted category, or even the public category. You can take this link and bring it on over to TubeMagic, and you're gonna wanna put this link into the Warp Upload Optimizer. And once you put this link into this optimizer, Optimus Prime, we're talking Transformers over here, but TubeMagic will give you an optimized title, a description for your video, and tags that you can use. And this is super important because it gives your videos that boost that you might need. Because you want to get into the algorithm. You want your videos to be viewed, right? So not only could this potentially help your YouTube channel before you upload your video, you get an optimized description and tags and title for your video, but you could also take these services on over to places like Fiverr or Upwork. Let's just say you charge only $5 for these services, and these services wouldn't be taking you long whatsoever to do. Now let's move on to another way that we can be making money with TubeMagic. Another feature within this software is the ability to create AI-generated scripts. And this can be super helpful for not only your YouTube channel, but like I was saying with the optimized description and tags and titles, you could take these services on over to Upwork and Fiverr and get paid to write other people's scripts. But in reality, you wouldn't have to be doing all of this writing and intense research. You would just be using TubeMagic to do so. And of course, you would go back and read this script and add some things here and there with some personal touches. But overall, TubeMagic does the hard part for you. And TubeMagic is such a great AI software to create scripts with. For example, a lot of people use the ChatGPT AI software to generate scripts, which is completely fine. It works perfectly fine. However, TubeMagic is more YouTube oriented, so it's gonna get you. These scripts would only be taking you around 10 minutes max to be creating for yourself, or if you're selling these scripts, you could be charging around $15, let's say, or even $20 for these scripts. Selling these different resources with TubeMagic can be a great way to be making some extra cash. However, how great would it be if you had this TubeMagic software, but you're making a more passive income, meaning, how I like to say it, making money in your sleep. But Kayla, how would we do that? How would we do that? We want to be making money in our sleep. How would we do that? Please tell us. You tell me. What if I just said, you tell me? And then the video ends and you have to comment and tell me how to make a passive income. Roles reverse, Uno reverse card. I'm just kidding. I'll tell you guys how we can do this. Sorry, that was a little silly. The first thing I want you to do is go online. Well, perfect. Step 1 already done because you're You're watching this video, you're online, you're on the internet. But I want you to go online and find some products that people might be interested in buying. And these can be any products. These can be products to do with technology or products to do with beauty or fashion. But you want to make sure it is something that is in demand and that you know people will want. But with all of these products that you're looking at and that you're seeing, maybe you're saying, oh my gosh, everybody wants this lipstick or everybody wants to buy this online course. You want to make sure that the company offers an affiliate marketing program. For example, a lot of products on a platform like Amazon have affiliate links for these different products because they want people to promote these products. Now, another thing to look for would be to see if these products have any stock photos or videos that you can use in order to promote the product. And if you take any of these pictures and videos, we can grab them, we can take them and bring them on over to any video editing software. A good free one would be CapCut, for example. If you wanted to get a little bit crazier, we could also use any AI software to create a script to magic. To magic. Who said that? To magic. I'm sick of the voices, you guys. And then you can take this script from to magic and you can record a voiceover, or you could use any text-to-speech voiceover. For example, play.ht has a good one, or 11 Labs. And then we're gonna head back on over to TubeMagic if you weren't already there, and we will use the Warp Upload Optimizer yet again. And this will give us the best tags for this video, the best description, and the best title. And you're gonna wanna make sure to include the product name for the product that you're promoting. And we take this video, we post it to YouTube. Crazy, crazy. And then if anybody searches this product up, because you picked a product that is high in demand, so chances are people are going to be searching for this product, then your video will pop up. And thanks to TubeMagic, your video will be boosted in the algorithm. And if anybody buys this product through your link, you get a commission. And if you take a few different products from like Amazon, for example, and you make these little videos and you post them to a YouTube channel, even if not a lot of people are buying from this link and you get around 2,000 views on a video, across these multiple videos that you've created, you could potentially still be making thousands of dollars. But there is a way that we could be making even more money with affiliate marketing, and that is going to be by promoting high-ticket digital products. So instead of finding physical products that people may want to buy, you're gonna hop on over to the digital world and you're gonna look at digital products. And digital products are especially great to promote because they usually have a bigger profit margin. And for example, one of the best products that you can become an affiliate for would be a digital course, because those have a high selling point, but if you find the right place, you can usually get a higher commission as well, rather than selling a $10 lipstick on Amazon where you're only making a few cents per sale that you make with your affiliate link. But digital products can include so many different categories and so many different things, such as ebooks or templates or printables. So once you find a digital product within a specific niche, for example, you could choose beauty or fitness or finance. You're gonna hop on over to TubeMagic and you're gonna take the niche of your product, and this is where we're gonna utilize the video idea generator that TubeMagic has to offer. And what we can do is take that niche from our product and generate video ideas within that same niche. So for example, let's say you're promoting this amazing course called Tube Mastery and Monetization, which if we remember earlier, it's my brother's course and guide that he created and that he does have an affiliate link for with Digistore. Just throwing that out there, Then we can go on over to TubeMagic and generate video ideas within the making money online niche or just the finance niche. And all you have to do once you have that script is record a voiceover, add a compilation of different photos, stock photos and videos, put that all together in a place like CapCut. And then within this video, you're gonna throw in a little promo of the product that you're promoting. So it could be Tube Mastery and Monetization. And then you're gonna post these videos to YouTube. And remember, like I was saying earlier, we can use the optimization tools on TubeMagic to help boost our videos in the algorithm. Woo woo! So opposed to making only $12 per sale with these digital products, we can be making $100 per sale or even more. So opposed to making $12 per sale with like a physical product, we could be making around $150 per sale that we make with this YouTube channel. The last way to be making money with Tube Magic is arguably the best way to be making money with it, which is going to be running an automated YouTube channel, which sounds great because that's, again, a passive income, making money in your sleep. Who wouldn't want that? Unless you're just stupid. Just kidding. I'm not calling anybody stupid. We're not. We're not. But how would somebody create a YouTube channel that is automated, meaning you're not having to do all of this work? A robot's taking over. Because robots are taking over the world, people. I've been saying this for so long. It's happening, and we're watching it happen, but sometimes it can be used for good, such as AI, which could also arguably be used for bad. But when it comes to YouTube, we can use it for good. But for this method, we could get started with creating a faceless YouTube channel, which is a video where nobody has to show their face. And you're going to want to pick a niche for your channel that is evergreen, meaning it never goes out of style. We never go out of style. But you're going to use Tube Magic then to generate these scripts within whatever niche you choose to go with. Some examples of evergreen niches would be health, finance, wealth, fitness, psychology, and relationships and happiness. There's so many, honestly. And you're going to create content such as, if anybody out there has seen a video by the YouTube channel called Watch Mojo, where they just make top 10 videos and nobody even has to show their face at all or sit in front of a camera. And like we were saying earlier, we can use Tube Magic's optimization tools to, again, boost our videos. So Tube Magic will make the video script writing process super easy and the posting process super duper easy, and even generating ideas for your videos, super easy process. But once you start making a little bit of money with YouTube and your channel gets monetized, you can head on over to places like Upwork and Fiverr and hire other people to do different aspects of this YouTube work for you. And this is where it starts becoming an automated YouTube channel. You could start out with just hiring somebody to write these scripts for you, or then somebody to just edit your videos for you. And once you start making more money with this channel, linked with other things, you could also pair affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel to be making some extra money. But you're going to take this money and pool it back into your channel to automate these videos and have other people do this work for you. And this is exactly what my brother did with his different profitable faceless YouTube channels. And that is truly one of the best ways to be making a passive income. You're just sleeping. You're sleeping and these videos are being pumped out. All you have to do is hit post. And now that we have Tube Magic, we don't even have to worry about creating the title of the video or the description or the tags. We just simply really hit post. With my brother's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, and his AI software, Tube Magic, he has been able to help so many people create these automated faceless YouTube channels and also make money with these channels. If you're further interested in starting up your YouTube channel and making money without actually having to make videos, make sure to click right here on this magical little box. Make sure to click on it. You won't want to miss it. It's basically a free course, so who wouldn't want it? Who wouldn't want it? There's so much value within it. Make sure to click on it. Thank you and bye.